Thanks for clicking. Hope you enjoy it. Feel free to check us out at www.9ci.ca and subscribe below and click that bell notification so you get notified when we make new videos.
Given the extreme RF power densities emitted from an iPad using Wi-Fi connectivity, there are lots of users, especially electrosensitive people, that have been asking if an iPad can be used with a wired connection. Despite what Apple says about their iOS devices and iPads being unable to use Ethernet, this is in fact possible. What's more is that Apple's iOS includes options to configure an Ethernet connection in the settings menu. There are many different USB Ethernet dongles available on the market, but the easiest and best one that we have found to work without the need of power is this one available from Amazon. The setup is simple. Be sure that Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data, if your device has this hardware, is turned off. Now simply plug in the dongle and connect it to an available Ethernet connection. Notice that the Ethernet option now appears in the menu as shown. There is no need to change any settings at this point unless you need to configure your connection with more advanced options for IP addressing. With the exception of FaceTime, you'll find that all apps work without any problems, and you'll now have the benefit of a consistent high-speed connection without any RF radiation exposure. Why Apple's iOS has provisions for Ethernet but doesn't allow FaceTime to use it is a mystery to us. Dear Apple, please allow all of your native apps to make use of your built-in Ethernet stack. I hope this helps you. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.